Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this video we are going to be looking at hopefully a identified stack of Legacy of the Force organised play and a stack of Jump to Lightspeed. Now I think my theory on this is, maybe you can see that the D4 is Jump to Lightspeed and D5 is Legacy of the Force. So let's crack a D4 and see if we are right. No, this is Twilight. So I'm very confused. What does it mean? Twilight of the Republic, that's fine. Okay. Now, let's try another D4. Okay. It might be a case D4 means Twilight. Yes, I think that might be. D4 is Twilight of the Republic. So that must make D5 Jump to Lightspeed. Let's see what it's all about. This is trying to figure this out on the fly as we go. Don't want that. No, it's Legacy of the Force. I'm so very confused. So, Shin Hati, Acolyte of the Beyond. Ooh, do or do not. Foil, very nice indeed. Right, so that's Legacy of the Force. D4. Let's. Oh, I'm so confused. And this is Jump to Lightspeed. Okay, so I can't really figure out IG-88 Swarming Voltage Droid. Very nice. I can't really seem to figure out what this stack is. Now, these were acquired naturally for the channel from Martin Lewis. Thank you, Martin, as always. Hit subscribe as we try and figure this out. Twilight. I think I'm only really looking for a Shuck T on Twilight. I think that's the only one I've got left. So we're just going to go through the D4s and we'll see what they are. Again, Twilight. Fine. D407. Okay. At least these ones are opening a little bit better than last time. And we have a Jump to Lightspeed. Leia Organa and a Swarming Voltage Droid. Okay. So it seems 4-0 might be Twilight. 4-2 and above might be Jump to Lightspeed. But there. No, that was a 4-0. That's Jump to Lightspeed. Poe Dameron, very nice. So this is a 4-1-5. As you see, I'm blitzing through these, and I'm not really paying too much attention to the cards. But there's only 3 in each pack, and I am showing them, so. Okay, that was Twilight. Yeah, I'm just very confused about how they mark these up. I can't seem to find a rhyme or a reason for it. And I can't get into this pack. Why can't I get into this pack? Let's try that way. There we are. Twilight. And it'll be typical, wouldn't it, that I don't even get the card I want. which, as I say, I'm sure is only Shakti, regular Shakti. So this is Jump to Lightspeed, Hera, Shutdown, Red Squadron, Y-Wing. Hera, Shutdown, Red Squadron, Y-Wing. So a complete duplicate pack there from Jump to Lightspeed. That's fine, happens. Not that many cards in the set, there's going to be duplications of them. I believe there is a legendary in Jump to Lightspeed as well, and I'm fairly sure this is Jump to Lightspeed as well. It is Han Solo, Red 5, very nice. Small Involves Droid, Captain Tarkin, sorry. Not Grand Moff just yet. So, I am, as I've said, super confused about this. Chewbacca, Shutdown, and Millennium Falcon. Very nice. Yeah, I haven't got a clue what these codes on the back mean. I thought there might be some sort of identifier, but alas, we're still opening blind. Jump to Lightspeed. Very nice. Foil Hera and a BB-8 along with a Onyx Squadron Brute. This stack over here should be Legends of the Force. Chewbacca. Oh, Cassian. Very nice. And a foiled IG-88. So, they were mainly Jump to Lightspeed. Which is fine. D5. This looks like different printing. So I would definitely say these are all going to be Legends of the Force. But let's crack into them and see what they say. Legends of the Force, Acolyte of the Beyond, Lothcap, very nice. Crushing Blow. So these go over here. So I am by no means a master of knowledge on this this game, on the sets or anything like that. I am figuring this stuff out right there alongside with you. Yeah, Acolyte of the Beyond, Assassin Droid, and J-Type Nubian. Very nice. So we are figuring this out together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to join me on this journey. Tip the bell icon, and that will notify you when I upload. And we will keep opening packs together. Do or do not. Very nice. Very, very nice. If I get duplicates of this, that's going to be in... Acolyte of the Beyond seems to be just in here. Permanent fixture. So if I get multiples of do or do not, that'll be going in the Yoda folder. I don't even know what is really in the OP set for Legends of the Force. This is just opening. Acolyte of the Beyond, Joe Consular, Lothcap. Just opening them to see what's what. See how many I can get. Fairly sure there's 20. Might be slightly more. Why can't I get into this? I hate these packs. I really do hate the packs. Alright, there we go. Another do or do not. Balin Skull, nice. And a Mind Trick. Very, very cool. I'll be honest, I'm only really collecting these because I have access to someone who can provide me the packs. So, Shin Hati, Acolyte of the Beyond, Flight of the Inquisitor. Yeah, so I really appreciate, again, I said it earlier in the video, but thank you, Martin. I really appreciate it. Appreciate you thinking of me. J-Type Nubian, Luthen Rail, an Assassin Droid. No Acolyte beyond that time. And our final pack, let's see what we get. Malakili, Mace Windu, and Infused Brawler. Cool. Fantastic. So, D5, definitely Legends of the Force. D4, who knows? Who knows? So, if you like this confusing content as much as I do, hit subscribe, drop a comment below, and if you can shed any light on how to identify packs as they come in, drop a comment, let me know. Let me know. The socials are in the description as well, so contact me there. But until the next one, may the Force be with you. Always.